Good day guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we learn how to create this clipping mask effect. So today we learn about how to create it with your smartphone
on Pixellab. Yeah,
this also can you see, so that's it. Let's dive in. So go to this tool Bezier. Okay, you don't know the Bezier, starting from this 1 2 3, you see a tool called Bezier. Just click on it. As you click on it, it shows this. Yeah, that's good. Just click on this. See, it shows a mark. See, this mark shows that you are going there. Is as it shows. So now click on this. So can you see? Can you see how it shows? Okay. Now go to opacity. Let's increase its opacity. Can you see? You see that as we have increased the opacity, there is the stroke still shows, so you need to reduce the stroke. Nothing concern you with this plus, smaller sign, less sign, one copy, greater sign, minus. Nothing concern you. We have nothing to do with it. We just have things to do with this. So where the work begins, so we have to work with this.
this Bezier tool is crazy. You can use it to create logo on Pixellab. You can try it out. It's crazy.
If you want to move to this point, just click on it, tap on it here. Can you see? That's how you tap on it. Drag it up. Can you see? Can you see? So you cannot see that this goes to like this. This comes to this place. See the arrow. Just tap on this. If you want to add more arrow, just click on this. Yeah, can you see? It's so simple. So can you see? Drag it. Can you see? So that's it. Now go to color. We have our color is white. Now go to color. So let's work with this first. So click on OK. Now drag it. Can you see like this? Now go to texture. This texture is where we import the pattern. Yeah, the overlay. So go to texture, click on texture, and it will take us to file or gallery to choose our texture. So that overlay will be used to add more beauty to this, and the link of the pattern is in the description. Check it, or go to my bio and click on my Telegram channel, Bospet Graphics Community. So click on it. Resources are there, everything, any resources you want, you'll find it in that channel. So let's move on. Texture. So this is my own. I have separated it from others, and this is it. Let me click on it. Can you see? You can drag the skin. Yeah, click on OK.
So that's the let's just say that's the stage 3. Let's go to this place and go to inner shadow. Click on inner shadow, click on, can you see it's show black. Let's leave like this and let's choose color. Can you see? Now with the background that we are using, it will be better if you use like this. Now see, let's be attentive here. At this stage, we need to be attentive. See, can you see? Can you see the magic? You too can create it. Can you see? So can you see? Can you see? So that's it. This is another trick. Just before I teach you this, you can go back to that edit. Okay. Can you see? Without needing, and let me now tell you this, you can still change the color, and you can still do this even if you don't want to use if you don't have pattern, or you don't want to use pattern, just use the pattern. Can you see? Let's make it deeper. Let's make it deeper. I want to make it deeper. There's something I want to show us here. Can you see? That's black. But as it's black, you need to work on the top of it. So can you see? Can you see all these trees that you always see on some designers work? Can you see? See how it's be like a table. See. That's it. As simple as ABC. I hope you have learned something. If you have learned something, subscribe, comment, share, turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you. See you on next episode.